In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone in Zoom. So first, let's start a meeting. And once the meeting is started, click on the arrow at the Participants tab and then click on Invite. And here you have different options on how you want to invite others to your meeting. So you could add through your contacts, or you could use your email to add someone. But an easier way is to copy either the invite link or the invitation. So let's try copying the invite link. And what it's gonna do is when we go to a social media or any messaging app that you have on your PC, you could paste that link. And then when you send it, so what it does is it sends an invitation to your meeting, and when they click on that invitation, they will be automatically joined into your meeting. And that is how you send an invitation through Zoom. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.